You guys asked for a leak down tutorial, so here we go. But first of all, what is a leak down test? It's the act of applying air pressure to a cylinder and then measuring the amount of air that is escaping. But most importantly, it allows us the opportunity to identify where it's escaping from in the case of excessive leakage. So we start with a cold engine and TDC on cylinder 1, when both the intake and exhaust valves should be closed. We remove the spark plug and insert the leak down tester into the spark plug hole, and then we apply regulated air pressure, usually about 100 psi. You will see that most testers, including mine here, will have two gauges. One will show the amount of pressure going into the cylinder, and the other one will show the amount of leakage. As pressure is applied to the cylinder, we can figure out where it is escaping from. You can listen for the sound of air escaping, often you can feel it, or you can use tools like this glove for a visual indication. This glove inflating shows me that air is most likely escaping past the piston rings and into the crankcase. Now, pairing that with other symptoms such as excessive oil consumption without external leakage, and we have found this engine's issue. Now, you can do the same thing over the tailpipe in the case of a leaking exhaust valve, or an intake tube if you suspect leaking intake valves. You may also see bubbles in the radiator if a head gasket is an issue. Now, to repeat this test for the rest of the cylinders, find the firing order. Then move to the next cylinder in the sequence, rotating the engine slightly until that cylinder is at TDC, and repeat the test again. Now, in general, a healthy engine should have less than 10% leakage, and all of the cylinders' readings should be consistent. Above 20% leakage is considered to be pretty bad. Hope this helps.